Okay, so we are going to start a new chapter which is climate. Okay, weather and climate. So first of all we will talk about what do you mean by weather and what do you mean by climate. So climate is the condition of a particular place for a short period of time. Okay, for a short period of for a long period of time. That means the condition of a particular place, okay, over a long period of time. Long period of time means, okay, that means it can be 3 months, 4 months, 2 months, okay. But weather, what do you mean by weather? Okay, same, the condition of a place, the condition of a place for a short period of time, that means 1 day, 2 day, okay, or 2 hours. Okay, what is the weather of what is the weather of Surya Graha today? So it is sunny. Okay, so it is warm and sunny. After that, after 2 hours, when it rains, then okay, it is rainy. Okay, we can say the weather of Surya Graha is rainy. Okay, so weather is the condition of a place for a short period of time, 1 day, 2 day, okay, or 1 hour, 2 hours, okay, it can differ. But climate is a condition of a place over a long period of time. That means 1 month, 2 months. Actually climate, summer, winter, okay, autumn, spring, monsoon. Okay, so we have 5 climates related to India. Got it? Okay, so weather refers to the sun, some total of day-to-day changes in the condition of the atmosphere at a place. That means for a over a place, particular place. So particular place means at fixed place. So what are the condition? What are the factors which determine this thing? Okay, as for example, we have much warmer place here, but in Shimla it is much close. It's the same time. Okay, in the same time, that means it is much more colder. What is the reason? What are the factors? Okay, so the conditions are, number 1 is temperature, rainfall, wind, humidity. Okay, that means temperature, humidity, and what is it? Movement of the wind and movement of the wind. These 3 processes. Okay, temperature is mostly related to sunshine. Okay, as for example, if that place have a good rays of sun, so we can say the temperature is warm. Okay, the temperature is sunny. If it has a humidity, more humidity, means we can say the place is not warmer. The place have clouds in it, because humidity means the amount of water. Humidity means amount of water in atmosphere. Amount of water in atmosphere is called humidity. Okay, actually humidity means the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Okay, so if I ask you how much is the humidity of this place to that in a rainy season, so what you will say? रेनी सीजन में ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा होगा कि अभी ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा है? रेनी सीजन में ह्यूमिडिटी, क्योंकि रेनी सीजन में एटमोस्फियर में वाटर वेपर ज्यादा होता है, क्लाउड्स होते हैं. अभी दिख रहा है क्लाउड्स? कैन यू सी द क्लाउड्स? यू कांट सी द क्लाउड्स, वेरी लेस क्लाउड्स. Yes, evaporation is less because water molecules is less. That's why your skin will dry up in winters. That means number 1 is temperature, number 2 is humidity, and number 3 is wind. That means movement of air. This also determines the climate and weather of a place. Okay, if the wind is good, if the wind is moving, okay, moving means it's moving continuously, then that place is cooler. Cooler means it is not that much warm, thoda thanda ho. Okay, but if certain place, if wind movement is not there, what will happen? You will be humidity, you will get sweating. Okay, and that place, yes, that place will receive much warmer climate. Okay, so factors of climate in India. Have you got this thing? Climate and weather? Understood? Okay, so weather refers to the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere, whereas climate refers to the average temperature over a long period of time. Weather changes occurs over a small area. So weather changes occurs a small area. As for example, here it is raining, but in Lakhisarai, if it is not raining, then weather of Lakhisarai and weather of Suryagarh is different. No, weather will be different at some places. Okay, depending upon the rainfall and other things. Okay, that means it changes. It can change. कभी कभी होता है ना, वहां बारिश, लखीसराय में बारिश हो रहा है लेकिन यहां पर बारिश ही नहीं हो रहा. यस, होता है. बिकॉज आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इट एट मेनी टाइम्स. ओके, while moving in a vehicle, at that place there is raining and in this place there is no rain. Okay, not warmer, it's not raining. So it changes in small areas. Weather changes in small areas, whereas climate changes over a large region. That means it acquires a whole region. Okay, like Bihar or like Lakhisarai district. Okay, or North Bihar or South Bihar. Okay, over a large area. Then weather data is obtained through direct observation or by using various instruments. So weather data is recorded by direct observation, means what you see. Direct observation means that what are you seeing, you can see. But weather is determined by scientific observation. You can't predict it, you can't directly say it, because we are taking it average. For that. Okay, now what are the features of climate in India? What are the features? Features means what are the reason which determine the climate of that place. Okay, so features of climate in India. Climate features. So number one we have India. Climate of India is influenced by monsoon wind. Okay, that means the climate is mostly influenced, means असर. किस चीज से असर होता है? Monsoon wind. Influenced by monsoon wind, and due to this reason only it is said that India has a monsoon type of climate. Okay, monsoon type of climate. Okay, India has a monsoon type of climate. Yes, that is due to rotation. Yes, but when you reach, it will take time also. Okay, so some time will be different. Okay, so that is due to rotation of the earth. Okay, rotation of the earth. No, beach means it is not fixed. Na, it keeps on moving. It is a continuous process. It is a continuous process. So there is no exact location. Okay, so that we are going to discuss afterwards. Let's discuss about climatic features. Number one, climate of India is mostly influenced by monsoon wind. Okay, the interior parts of India experience the extreme of climates. Summers are hot and winters are cold. So in India, summers are hot and winters are cold and dry also. Always remember, cold and dry, and hot and rainy. Hot and rainy. In summer season we have a rainfall. Okay, but in winter season we don't have any rainfall. Okay, so it is dry. It is dry. So the coastal areas which we have studied, okay, they are not, they have a moderate climate. Coastal areas have moderate climate. Moderate climate. Moderate climate means not so hot, not so warm, not so hot, not so cold. So it is said that there is no winters in South India. South India, they don't have winters. Okay, they don't have to wear blazers or jackets, okay, mufflers, okay, because they have a moderate climate, and that is due to sea and oceans. Okay, land bridge and sea bridge. No, हम लोग के जितना होता है वहाँ उतना नहीं होता. Yes, in night little bit. Okay, a little bit. That means you don't have to wear a blanket or socks, mufflers, this and that in South India. That is due to sea and oceans. Okay, got it? Okay, then another point, India receives more rainfall during summer. Okay, that means as I have mentioned here only, summer is rainy. Okay, and winter is dry. Winter is dry. Okay, in one only it has been done. Then during winters, India remains cold and dry, as I have told, because the time wind blows from land to sea. Okay, from land to sea wind blows, that's why the temperature is cold. Okay, then India agriculture mostly depends on monsoon. Agriculture depends on, yes, on monsoon. That means if there is no rainfall, a good rainfall, okay, in North India, in India, that means crops will dry. There will be a what? Hamper in agriculture products. The crops will not grow, the production will be less, okay, farmers will die, the price of the crops will be higher, less. How less? We don't have crops, the production is less. So the farmers will keep the grains with them only, they won't sell. And everyone is not farmers. Okay, everyone is not farmers. So production, due to that, they will, yes, but 100% is not farmers. No, I don't think so. No, farmers, look, farmers, they are farmers with not that type of farmers. Farmers means who sell the product. Okay, who sell the product in a huge amount. Okay, only who consumes, that are not called farmers. They are the small farmers. Okay, so these are the features of, climatic features of India. These are the climatic features of India. Now, let's talk about factors affecting the climate. Factors affecting the climate. So, as we know, we discussed that South India, okay, like the parts of Maharashtra, okay, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, they are moderate temperature, and whereas Simla, okay, Simla have cold temperature. Okay, Simla is cold, and Rajasthan very hot. So what are the reason behind that? What are the reason? The reason are the factors, okay, affecting climate of India. Factors affecting climate. What are the factors that affect climate? Latitude. Number 2, distance from sea. Number 3, we have altitude. Number 4, mountains, or you can say landforms. Okay, you can say landforms, and winds. We can write monsoon wind also, because as we know that India has a monsoon type of climate. Okay, so these all factors affect the climate.